In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll from a Udemy course. Maybe you've signed up for a class that isn't quite what you expected, or you simply don't need it anymore, whatever the reason. Unenrolling is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Udemy website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, the one that actually has the course you want to leave. If you use more than one email for Udemy, it's worth double-checking that you're logged in to the right one so the course appears where you expect. Once you're logged in, head to your My Learning section. This is usually accessible from the top navigation bar. This page shows all the courses you're currently enrolled in. Take a moment to scroll through your list and locate the course you want to unenroll from. If you have a lot of courses, you can use the search bar on this page to quickly find it by name. When you've found the course, hover your mouse over it, or click into the course page, depending on how Udemy's layout appears for you. Look for an option related to managing or removing the course. This may appear as a small icon with 3 dots, or a menu labeled with something like More Options. Click that to reveal additional actions. In the drop-down menu, you should see an option to remove or unenroll from the course. Click that option. Udemy may show you a confirmation message or a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This is to prevent you from accidentally removing a course you still want access to. Read the message carefully, especially if it mentions things like losing access or refund eligibility. If you're certain you want to unenroll, confirm your choice. After a moment, the course should disappear from your My Learning list. If it's still showing, try refreshing the page. In most cases, once it's gone from this list, you're no longer enrolled. If you run into any issues, such as not seeing the unenroll option, it can help to check Udemy's Help Center or contact their support, since policies and layouts can change over time. And that's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to unenroll from a Udemy course whenever you need to.